to kill him?
Also can listen and listen carefully. I don't want to ever see you around me again. I don't also want to have anything to do with you again forever.
I lost my outgoing and beautiful nature. I hate what I have become. I wish Obinze wasn't this wrathful and violent. I would have been a better person than who I am.
Obinze, you inflicted your sister with this injury and you are not remorseful. Obinze, I curse you. Leave my house and never return. But if you dare spend one more night in this house, I will cut off your head while you sleep. Leave!
I will go. I will go and I will never return. I will never return.
Obinze, where are you going? Obinze, come back here! Come back! Mother!
I loved my only brother, and I didn't mind sharing my very last with him. But little did I know that my little compassion of that day will lead to my very worst nightmare. This memory never ceases to reflect as my very worst nightmares and makes me hate Obinze more, even as his wrath still lingers.
Obinze, come back! Mother, please stop! Obinze will come back!
Wow, no,
Obinze, come back! Mother, please come back! No, he will not come back! Your father meant it! He's just like his father! Obinze will come back, Mother! Mother, come back! Obinze!
Mother, please.
Obinze!
Mother, please, let's go back home, please. Obinze will return home, please.
No.
Mother, please.
No.
Mother, please.
Your father meant everything he said. Obinze is just like your father. He meant it, he won't come back. I must find him, else he might harm himself.
Mother.
Mother! Mother, please don't do this, Mother! Mother, please! Mother!
Help! 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 Help!
Give me your hands.
Help! 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 Help!
Why don't you just die?
Die! This is what you wanted! Die! I hate you!
Akunmili, help!
Ewo! Akubilo!
Mama, please help, Mama!
Akubilo, why are you this wicked?
Mama, please help! Help!
Akubilo!
Help!
Are you wicked?
Help!
Mother, please, don't die. Mother, please, Mother, don't do this, please, Mother, please, Mother, please, Mother, please, Mother, Mother. When you keep people away from you, when you push them away and make them feel you're strong and can do without them, it is good to be strong But the problem is, no one will ever care to know if you're truly broken and hurt. They don't care to know. Everyone feels I am jealous of whom she's become because of what I have been. That memory never ceases to reflect as my very worst nightmares and makes me hate him the more.
Where is this stupid woman? Are you mad? You brought food for me to eat without water to wash my hand. Are you okay? What's the meaning of this?
My husband, I'm sorry.
Who's your husband?
But you know I can always... What is it? What is it?
Something is wrong.
Something is wrong. What is wrong? You're bleeding. What is it? It's okay. Do you understand me? Calm down. You have to control your feelings. Your sister is fine. Kambi is fine. Do you understand? It's okay. Come here.
No, sorry. We need to eat. No. We need to eat. No.
I'm not hungry.
Kadima, eat a little, small.
I can't eat anything now.
Please.
I hope no problem.
Tauka is Ogadima. He's not getting any better. In fact, he has not eaten anything since the last time you came to give him herbs. Tauka, please, help us. Please help my brother. I don't want him to die. Be cool.
It's okay. Go home. Tell your father I will come and see your brother with some new herbs. You can go.
Thank you.
Mother, please! Mother, don't do this, please, mother, please! Mother, please! Mother! 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 Mother!
Mother! She has dreamed again. She is still dreaming. Do you still dream?
I need to see Father. Maybe I'll make some harvest at Father's farm today.
You still dream, don't you?
Who are those herbs for?
Oh, God, his people came to me yesterday. They said his condition is getting worse. They're afraid they might lose him.
Why is he not getting better? Is there something you haven't done?
This is the last herb I will give to him. Hereafter they should seek for a priest. I have done everything again. Maybe it's his fate.
No, it's not. I think something is wrong.
You can go as far as up the hill to get that perfect help for him. You can also save a life, you know.
I will if I can. He's the only reason his father will be crowned king. The coronation of his father as the successor to the late Igwe has been on hold because of his illness.
Of course. Eziama cannot crown a king who does not have a son to succeed him. They cannot.
Ogadima will be well.
I don't want anything to happen to my brother. But I'm afraid we might just...
You don't have to say that. Just be strong for him, okay? Please. Be strong.
Diabolist is here.
Let's hope your brother gets well with the herbs I came with. Else you will seek the hands of the priest.
Priest? He works for him. Is it that bad? He works for him. If anything happens to my mother might just kill herself.
You don't have to say that, Ola.
My father will not be crying.
Just be strong, okay?
Ola will not be crying, please.
Don't worry, just be strong. Stop crying, Ola. Ola, stop crying. Stop crying. Ola, stop crying. She'll be well.
I should have been more careful. I hope I get the right herbs after all this trouble.
Hey, Nnebe. You are still at the farm. You don't look prepared for a market yet. And how do you know that? Don't pretend to me. You can hold on to the next 4 days for market. Obinze hit you again. He struck you yesterday, didn't he?
Chinenye, please. Stop it. I'm fine. Please.
Can't believe what happened to you. I am your sister and I feel your pain too.
I have no pains, Chinenye.
I'm fine. I am well. And I hate it when you try so hard to assume evil things that doesn't exist in my life. Please. It hasn't come to this. I have not brought evil with me. I only want to know about your well-being. Well, I am fine. I struck my face against the wood at the farm yesterday. Okay, oh. I will take Adora with me to my house. That is if you would let her.
It's okay, Chinenye. She can go with you until sunset tomorrow.
No more for me.
Okay, I won't fall again.
Will you use away from that place? Stop! Stop, Oiso! What are you doing here? Huh? Listen, leave this farmland, else I will spill your blood here.
What have we done to you? Obize, what? Why are you so wicked? This land also belongs to my husband and he's a member of the family. Even your father's farmed on this land with no trouble. What is your problem?
Okay. You have the guts to talk back. Eh?
Leave us alone. I'm telling you, leave us alone.
Now tell me, where was your stupid, miserable husband when I fought to protect this land? Kedebono. Eh? Now you have the guts to talk back. Leave this place. Come on, will you leave this place? Come here.
Obize, what are you doing? You have no right to drive her away from the family land.
Don't you have anywhere to unleash your misery today?
And that misery you will get if you don't let her farm on this land. Nneka! Come back! Come back and continue your harvest! Come and plant! Harvest as you want! He has no right to stop you!
I know what you're suffering from. You are jobless and stupid at the same time. Go and get married like every other maiden in this village so you can get position. Now get out! Get out!
Obize, you can do nothing.
Obize, come back! Mother!
Shame on you. A man that has no wisdom is a man that rots foolishly. Do your worst. Or better still, go back home. Go and beat the poor woman. A woman that knows nothing about her husband's weaknesses. Shame on you, Obi. Shame on you! Come back here, Nneka! Don't go anywhere!
Obize! Leave her alone!
Leave her alone! Come back, Nneka! Come back, come and continue your farming.
And as for you, go and get married so you can get busy with life. Go and get married like every other maiden in this village.
Shame on you, Obize! You are shameless! Shame on you! Nneka, come back, come and continue. He has no right to stop you.
Nneka! What happened?
Obize, your cousin, eh? Your cousin Obize, he just chased me out of the farmland, eh? Is that not supposed to be the family farmland, eh?
Who
is he to chase you out of our family land? What is wrong with him? Is he stupid? Obize again. Obize.
Nine, Jenna, wait. Eh? You want to go and confront Obize again? Eh? Remember the last time you confronted Obize, you broke your ankle. In Ajay, do you want to go and confront him again?
Please turn around. May my eyes never cease to behold your beauty all the days of my life, my goddess. Beholding your beauty gives me strength to love you more every day. I made a perfect choice. You give me strength, my one and only. Hope you slept well.
Yes, my husband.
What did you want to tell me last night?
I wanted to tell you that your daughter went to Chinenye's hut and that she will be back today before sunset.
Please make sure she's back before sunset. I would like to see my daughter and tell her stories.
I'll bring her back before sunset and she'll come to you.
Can I feel my wife's warmth?
You've never sought my consent before touching me. I'm always submissive to you, my husband, as it pleases you.
You are the queen of my heart, and I will forever love you. Ya Bologna.
Who are you?
A help for your brother. Boil those herbs for him and he'll be well as soon as possible.
Can I see your face?
Should your brother be well again?
Who was that? I don't know. I did not get to see her face. But she said we should boil these herbs for Ogadima. Maybe the good spirit will hear our cry. Let's just pray this works. Perhaps the gods of our land have heard our prayers.
And the people of this village are known for bravery, hard work. They can be very nice to strangers, but will fight to any length to protect what rightfully belongs to them. Same goes to our women. They are known for beauty and hard work. That's why other men from other villages come here to marry them.
Father, can I show you something?
What?
It's in the hut. Father, look at this bit. I love the bit so much.
Greetings, Nnebe.
Thank you, my son. How are you?
I'm fine. This bead is supposed to be on your neck.
I got it for your sister, Akunmili. Is it not beautiful?
It is. But Akunmili is not your only child.
You are my precious son. Don't worry. I will get you something better. Trust me.
All right, Nnebe. I shall see you when I return.
It's okay.
How did you get this?
Akunmili gave me the bits.
Akunmili! Akunmili! You leave. Go back to the house. Go! Akunmili!
My husband.
What is the meaning of this? Akunmili, what is the meaning of this evil?
What's evil, my husband? I don't know what you're talking about.
Akunmili is evil, and I've warned you several times to stay away from her. So what is the meaning of this?
My husband, she is not evil. She's your sister. I mean, we are the only family she has that could cater for her. She's the only sister you have our daughter can look up to. She's not evil, my husband.
And who are you to tell me who is evil or not? How dare you disobey me?
My husband, please. Please.
How dare you? You have the guts to disobey me under my roof.
Has he taken another life away from her in his wrath?
Did you see him run into the compound in the dark? I gave him something to give to her to drink.
I hate Obinze. I hate to see his face. Even if my ears will never cease to hear his voice. Whenever he seeks your help, after causing damages with his anger.
Isn't it time? Isn't it time you forgave your only brother? To find peace and happiness in this life again? Do you still dream?
He took life away from me. And each time I have that dream, I develop a deep hatred for him that may cause me to kill him. But for mother's last words.
Do not let anything happen to him. It's okay. Let it go. Let it go, it's okay.
Don't worry, Mother. You won't have to cry again. I have thrown the beads away.
Why did you do that?
I don't want to see you suffer like that again.
I promise you won't see it happen again. And please, don't tell anybody what you saw. Not even Chinenye. Whatever Akunmili gives to you, we must keep them. Okay? Where did you throw the beads?
Over there, Mother.
Go and pick up the beads. We'll keep them safe. The herbalist will soon be here to treat me. Okay?
I still hot.
I'll be fine. Just go to Oma's place after picking up the beads. Okay?
Okay, Mother.
Akunmili, I love and respect you as my wife, but I will never beg you. I will never ever swallow my pride and say I'm sorry to you. I never begged my mom, never begged my father. I will never beg anybody. Odogwada yobiko. And don't you open. Simple.
Odogwu adayo biko. Odogwu adayo biko. Onye ọbụla ga na-eme ka chi esike. Odogwu adayo biko.
Chinenye, we both agreed that we will see my uncle today.
Azuka, why are you being so selfish? Have you not been listening to me? My sister is not feeling well and I need to be with her. I need to take care of her. And here you are sounding as if her life is not important.
Chinenye, you call me selfish over something that will not take much of our time. I did not ask you not to see your sister. All I am asking you is to give me little of your time. Let's see my uncle. And after that, I can come with my people to see your people then.
Then what? What is so special about this visit to your uncle's place that will make me stay a second away from my twin at a time like this? Suka, I cannot go with you. She needs me. Azuka, I cannot go with you to see your uncle. I am all she has, and she's all I have.
It is important to see my uncle today. Because that will determine if we are getting married or not.
If not seeing your uncle today will stop us from getting married, then so be it. I can let go of anything just to be with my twin.
Akunmili, you are still bleeding?
Yes. It makes me feel weak. Is there a stain on the wrapper?
Yes, I just noticed it.
I still feel cold. And the pain is still there.
Don't worry. The herbalist said you will get well soon. So don't worry. Let me get you some oranges. Adora.
Yes, Auntie. Let me get those oranges. Okay.
Adora.
Adora, what is it?
I'm sorry, Mother. I didn't hold it well.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. I need to be left alone with my wife.
Adora. Adora, please, tell me, what happened to your mother?
Nothing.
Adora, Biko, Mom, tell me the truth. What did your father do to your mother?
Nothing.
Mom, Biko, you cannot lie to your auntie. What happened to Nnebe? Biko, tell me the truth.
Father flogged her and kicked her. Look, started coming out.
I knew she was hiding something from me. I hope she did not lose the baby. The life we live, even though it's by ourselves, is not for ourselves alone. Love becomes foolishness when it's not requited, but rather abused. You have lost the baby in your womb to a foolish love. I pray the gods of our land will not let me lose you to that same foolish love.
Yala cholum. Onye ọbụla ga na-eme ka chi esi kee. Onye ọbụla ga na-eme ka chi esi kee.
Auntie!
I have to go. I have something very important to take care of. But I will be back. Please, take care of Nnebe, okay?
Okay, I will. Bye.
I am not asking you to come and see my uncle. Rather, I want to inquire about Kambili's well-being. I would have come inside with you if I could.
Binze is a monster. He made her lose her pregnancy. My sister is dying silently. Kamili needs help. She needs to be delivered from Binze before it's too late.
Binze nwanne nwoke o.
Adania.
Oh, Azuka.
Huh?
You came to help your friend.
Hey, yeah.
Thank you very much, eh? Dalolo. Binze, you didn't tell me he was going to work with you today. I would have brought more food for him.
Don't worry. Both of us will share mine.
Hey, yeah. I envy you too. I wish I had a friend like Azuka.
Oh, Ada, you brought food?
Yes, I did.
What do you prefer?
Yam and pamoya.
Wow. Are you serious? That's my favorite. Here I am. There's no sword. No Andre.
You are there.
It's a Kwamianu. Eh?
What run on?
Are you serious? Hey, I'm sorry. Aye.
I can perceive some good smell here.
Agribo, the son of Otoka, greetings. What do you have? I don't have anything for you. These organs belong to me and Obinze.
I am Wago. Give me that meat now. Wago. Wago. And what do you say to Wago? I said, what do you say to Wago?
Thank you.
Wago, I feed on meat.
Azuka, I got fresh where is our meat? Where is our meat? Agdibodi village terror came here to get our meat.
What? Agdibo did what? Our meat? As what?
Obinze, I will advise you leave Agdibo to be. Let him go away with the meat. You know how deadly he can be. Please.
I won't. I refuse to be cowed by Agdibo's threat. I'd rather die than let someone take what rightfully belongs to me. Obisione. Obisione.
Obinze, please. Allow Agdibo go with his troubles. We can still go inside the bush and catch another guinea fowl.
No, I won't. Only Obuna can make a chase. Only Obuna can make a chase.
Obi.
I don't want to see more of this one. I want to see yours. How dare you? Who?
Give me that meat now. Give it to me.
What platform did you have to come and challenge me, Wago?
Wago sing.
What is it?
Wago.
What is it?
Wago sing. Wago. Respect your old age.
What is it? What is it? Huh? What is it? Wago! Eh? All this. Wago sing. What is it? Wago sing. Give me grass, give me grass. I hear Wago Hey, shh. Shh. Where did you get that come from?
I got it from our farmland.
Mba, transfer it here now. Transfer it here. Be fast.
Hey. Stop. What is going on here? What is going on here?
Nothing really. I just wanted to help her carry the car. Just that.
You don't need this help, do you?
I don't. I can take care of myself. You can go.
Definitely yes.
Your basket.
Take it. I dash you.
Be careful.
Obinze.
Be careful. Be careful.
Listen, this nonsense must stop in this village. I dealt with him. I beat him up. So nobody should be scared of him. Do you understand?
Yes.
Tell your friends, tell everybody in this village. Do you understand?
Yes.
I'll go. Agribo. No bro, Kwana Zondo Sunang of Yamma. On Arabian. That was how close Obinza and I were. We did everything together. We went everywhere together. Until Obinze.
What is wrong with you? Do you want to kill him?
Azuka, listen and listen carefully. I don't want to ever see you around me again. I don't also want to have anything to do with you again forever. And anytime you have the chance to kill me, make sure you don't hesitate. Because if you fail, I'm not gonna make a chase again. I'm not gonna make a chase again.
Ever since that day, I've avoided Obinze like a plague. But here I am, still reconnected to him indirectly through your sister.
Obinze will never change. We have to save my sister from Obinze's spirit of anger.
How do we do that?
I don't know. We just have to find a way.
Hola.
Hola.
Mama.
Hey! Hey! Okadima! Hey! Oh, come, see Okadima! Hey! Hey! Thanks to the good spirit of our land! Hey! Hey! Swallow! Mama, come! See my brother! See my brother!
Look at this way! May the God
Thanks to the good spirit of our land! Thanks to the good spirit! See Thank the gods of our land. Hey! What would I have done? Feiwa, let me stop here. Oh, let me go and check on my...
Yes, I know. I know you want to go and take care of your
Exactly. Yeah, and I also want my mother to rest. You know it's not been easy for her so far. You don't know how hard it's been for her all this while.
Not just your mother, but you all. Especially now that your father will be crowned king. And you, automatically, the princess.
Ifeyiwa, I don't know what I would have done if something had happened to my brother. I would never be a happy person.
Allah, lucky you. So very soon, you will be the most sought after bride.
Before Kwano, a beauty like me, Ifeyiwa, deserves more. And so do you. At least, Azuka is still single. And remember, he's every woman's desire.
You're not more beautiful than I am.
Did you hear what I said?
Yes. Well, I still love him. But Chinenye is a hindrance. I think he loves her.
Well, if I were you, I would do anything possible to win him back to myself.
After all, he loved you first. All you just need to do is let him see reason why he has to come back to you. Obupala, Nne, oh, come never. Let me go and see my mother. Okay? Take care of you. Bye-bye. All you just need to do is
Let him see reason why he has to come back to you.
I can hear the sound of happiness in that household. I know Alama will be getting ready for that special day of her life.
Akunmili, Akunmili, you are kind. You have a brave heart. And that is part of you that no one knows about.
That is because no one cares. Not even my friends, nor the friends of my mother cared to find out how I felt after the tragedy.
Akunmili, you never speak to anyone. Not even me that helped treat the wound on your face, the deep cut on your face. You never spoke to me. Akunmili, allow people to care for you. Don't make them feel you don't need them.
I felt rejected and withdrawn from the maidens after they pushed me away when I was in distress.
What is it? What? How come you've not come to see me since then? Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me. What is it now? See, I left you the same day you denied me of something I really, really needed. That's when I left you. Ola, please don't tell me you've not forgiven me yet. Hey? Forgive you. Please, please. Please. Can you cover this rotten wound on your face? It's so ugly. Did you hear her? Cover your rotten wound. Go away from me. Just stay away from me. Did you hear me? Wait. Why are you looking this way? Eh? Are you afraid that no man may ever love you? Or maybe you can no longer come out like other beautiful maidens like her? She's running. She's running. Look at her. Just leave. Where were you running? What is it? Your mood is getting worse. You should go home. Just go home. Akunmili!
I can hear the sound of happiness in that household. I know Alama will be getting ready for that special day of her life.
Akunmili, Akunmili, you are kind. You have a brave heart. And that is part of you that no one knows about.
That is because no one cares. Not even my friends, nor the friends of my mother cared to find out how I felt after the tragedy.
Akunmili, you never speak to anyone. Not even me that helped treat the wound on your face, the deep cut on your face. You never spoke to me. Akunmili, allow people to care for you. Don't make them feel you don't need them.
I felt rejected and withdrawn from the maidens after they pushed me away when I was in distress.
What is it? What? How come you've not come to see me since then? Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me. What is it now? See, I left you the same day you denied me of something I really, really needed. That's when I left you. Ola, please don't tell me you've not forgiven me yet. Hey? Forgive you. Please, please.
Please, can you cover this rotten wound on your face? It's so ugly.
Did you hear her? Cover your rotten wound. Go away from me. Just stay away from me. Did you hear me?
Wait. Why are you looking this way? Eh? Are you afraid that no man may ever love you? Or maybe you can no longer come out like other beautiful maidens like her?
She's running. She's running.
Look at her. Just leave. Why were you running? What is it?
Something is getting wrong. You should go home.
Just go home.
Akunmili!
Obinze did that to her. I wish you were never betrothed to him. It will never make a good man talk less of a good husband. Obinze is a good man and he loves me very much. The same love that doesn't exist for his sister, his only sister. I wish our parents were still alive to break this bond. Well, I'll still marry him as tradition demands. I mean, so many girls would pay to have him. Never.
Akunmili, let's get the herbs ready. We need to prepare medicine for someone before it gets late. No, not that one. This
How about this?
This. Yeah.
This one?
This one is okay.
Okay.
Ifeyinwa, what is it? Why did you drag me forcefully?
Azuka, where have you been? I've not seen you for so long.
I've been busy handling some important things. Wait. Did you just waylay me?
No, not really.
What is it? What is it, Ifeyinwa? We don't have anything between us anymore.
Azuka, isn't there any way both of us could discuss and put our past differences behind us? I still love you.
I don't love you. I don't. Besides, we are not meant to be seen together. I have a woman I want to get married to.
Asuka, I'm so happy you changed your mind because you were heading for something really bad.
What are you doing? Hey! Chinenye! Chinenye! You are evil! You are evil! This is why I will never have anything to do with you. Talk more of getting married to you.
I'm not evil, Azuka. I'm not evil, Azuka.
You haven't said anything else after the Azuka and Ifeanyi story. What is it? Are you hurting?
Am I supposed to be?
No. You don't have to. Since it has to do with Ifeanyi. I mean, I think she actually did all these things to get you angry.
Do you think so?
I know so. So please just let it go. I cannot say the heart of Azuka, but I can tell you this. He is a good man. He will make a good husband to you. So please, you just have to let go.
If we have to let go, how much can we really let go?
As much as you can. If true love really exists in your heart.
Even when such things can take a life from you?
True love seeks the happiness of your partner at all times. True love takes no offense, neither in words or action of your partner. It bears no grudges. True love and cruelty are two parallel lines that can never meet. Never.
Ofune ofumbachi anyi bu ofabara. Ofune ofumbachi anyi bu ofabara. Akpoluwanne m kambili afamu bu kainene. Akpoluwanne m kambili afamu bu kainene. Ofune ofumbachi anyi bu ofabara. Ofune ofumbachi anyi bu ofabara. Akpoluwanne m kambili afamu bu kainene. Akpoluwanne m kambili afamu bu kainene. Abuni mejalu, nkabuni metaro, owe ifo melu makana munagi bofu. Oya abuni mejalu, yabiko bara. Ofune ofubochi, anibo fobara. Ofune ofubochi, anibo fobara. Akpoluwanne m kainene, afamu bukambili. Akpoluwanne m kainene, afamu bukambili. Ofune ofubochi, anibo fobara. Ofune ofubochi, anibo fobara. Akpoluwanne m kainene, afamu bukambili. Akpoluwanne m kainene, afamu bukambili. Ifabuli mejalu, nkabuli metaro, owebi ifo melu makana munagi bufu. Onya buni mejalu, yabiko balo. ụbọchị anyị bụ ofu ọbara ofu nne ofu ụbọchị anyị bụ ofu ọbara afamu bụ Chinenye afamu bụ Kambili afamu bụ Chinenye afamu bụ Kambili afamu bụ Chinenye afamu bụ Kambili ofu nne ofu ụbọchị anyị bụ ofu ọbara ofu nne ofu ụbọchị anyị bụ ofu ọbara akpọlụ nwanne m Kambili afamu bụ Chinenye akpọlụ nwanne m Kambili afamu bụ Chinenye ofu nne ofu ụbọchị anyị bụ ofu ọbara ofu nne ofu ụbọchị anyị bụ ofu ọbara akpọlụ nwanne m Kambili afamu bụ Chinenye akpọlụ nwanne m Kambili afamu bụ Chinenye bụ n'ime jọlụ nke bụ n'ime taro onweghị ife omelu maka na mụ na gị bụ ofu onye bụ n'ime jọlụ ya biko gbara ofu nne ofu ụbọchị anyị bụ ofu ọbara ofu nne ofu ụbọchị anyị bụ ofu ọbara akpọrọ nwanne m Chinenye afamu bụ Kambili akpọrọ nwanne m Chinenye afamu bụ Kambili ofu nne ofu ụbọchị anyị bụ ofu ọbara ofu nne anyị bụ ofu ọbara akpọrọ nwanne m Chinenye afamu bụ Kambili akpọrọ nwanne m Chinenye afamu bụ Kambili ife ọbụla imejọlụ nke ọbụla imetaro onwere ife omelu maka na mụ na gị bụ ofu onye ọbụla imejọlụ ya biko gbaalụ ofu nne ofu ụbọchị anyị bụ ofu ọbara ofu nne ofu ụbọchị anyị bụ ofu ọbara afamu bụ Chinenye afamu bụ Kambili afamu bụ Chinenye afamu bụ Kambili afamu bụ Chinenye afamu bụ Kambili
What is going on here? I want to be with my wife alone.
Your father left it. He's just like his birth father. Why don't you just die?
Die! Die! This is what you wanted! Die!
Akunmili, help!
Ewo! Akunmili.
Mama, please help, Mama.
Mother!
Mother!
Aye, 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 ewo, aye, 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 ewo. Aye, 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 ewo. Aye, 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 ewo.
We need to practice very well. You know, very soon my father will be Igwe and I the princess.
When you become the princess, what will become of us?
What do you mean?
We will no longer be of the same status. You will become the princess, and we, commoners as we are.
How will you say such a thing? You both are my friends and will always be. Okay, how about you both moving in with me? Not as mates, or as my friends.
Don't worry, we'll move in with you as mates.
So we'll move in with as mates. Okay now, let's continue.
Onye gabegu iya, gabegu iya. Onye gabegu iya, gabegu iya. Ijoma gabegu iya, gabegu iya. Ijoma gabegu iya, gabegu iya. Igabegu, gabegu, igabegu, igabegu, gabegu, igabegu, onye gabegu iya.
Okoli, you have the nerves to step your feet on my farmland. And to crown it all, you harvested my cassavas.
Me?
No, me.
I did not go to that land though. We did not go there. That land is for you now.
You are not calling me a liar.
We've not stepped foot on that land, eh? We've laid that farmland for you, eh?
You shut up. You don't talk when men are talking. How dare you talk when... Come here!
Mother, is it true that other men from other villages come to marry our maiden?
And who told you that?
Father.
Okay. Just be quiet. Let me finish your hair. Oh? All these stories your father has been telling you. You put them in mind. Was this the way I fixed it before?
Mother. Is it true that they fight whatever belongs to them?
No, let me finish this hair. Keep quiet. You mustn't always talk. I'm trying to figure out how I fixed this before. Nai, welcome. What is wrong with your father? He came back empty-handed. He was supposed to come back with some bushmeat. You just stay here. Let me check on him, okay? And don't go anywhere. Obim.
Chinenye, why don't you hear me out? Hear me out.
Please, just go away. Chinenye is just fucking living for you.
No, Chinenye. How can you say a thing like that? If anyone did what she did to get at us, she wants to spoil our relationship. Please.
Stories. And look at stories. I get to hear so much because it gets me really angry. Just go away.
Chinenye, I love you. And you know that.
Please, I want to go fetch water. And I have things to do. If you come with me, I will bring down your pride in front of those maidens that want you so much.
Chinenye, I've told you. There's nothing any maiden in this community would do that will attract me. That includes Ifeyiwa. Chinenye, I love you.
What is this?
Food. You said you were going to come back with some bushmeat for me to prepare soup, but you returned with nothing, so I decided to make...
Is this the only thing you know how to prepare? Boiled yam. Morning yam. Afternoon yam. Night yam. Can't you prepare unripe plantain with dry fish? Or make a good soup? What's the meaning of this?
Benze, you mustn't always act like this. I have done nothing wrong. This was all that was left in the house.
You want to give me kwashiorkor? No, you want to give me kwashiorkor?
So please just manage it, please. Thank
you. Do you understand?
What
happy right now.
I will not let you be until you smile at me and accept my apologies. What is it? Did I say anything bad?
Did you hear a voice?
Whose voice? Chinenye, stop this.
Azuka, she's in trouble!
Who's in trouble?
Azuka, my sister is in trouble. She needs my help. Oh, she needs my help. I have to go.
That girl is slowly becoming mad. I think so too. This is not the first time she's acting like this. Is she the only twin in this village?
Thanks to the gods. Finally.
Azuka, what am I doing here?
You fainted. I had to bring you to my house to take care of you. What did you do that for?
You should have taken me to my uncle's place. At least there they will take care of me. Instead, you brought me to your place.
My house was the closest. I had to bring you here. Why don't you sit down? Let me go and look for Uka to take care of you, the herbalist.
I hope you did not touch me.
I cannot do a thing like that. It's a taboo. Please sit down.
This should have gotten a rapper to cover up my decency. Instead of leaving me like this.
What is it? Come on, sit down.
Adora. Mother, you're awake. The herbalist was here. She said I should not cry, that you'll be okay.
I'm fine. Come.
Adora, leave. I want to take care of my wife. Are you deaf?
Say this. We need to away from this place. Leave!
The herbalist gave me this to rub on your skin.
I'll do it myself.
No. Let me do it.
You will not touch me. I hate to feel your touch right now.
My words are not negotiable. Let me do it.
Not after what you've done to me, Obinze. If you not allow me to do it myself, then take it away from me.
Lie down, let me rub this on your body. said you should lie. Lie down. Come here.
Ewa, Chimo. My basket has been dry.
Akunmili, you know I feel your pain as well. Why are you hiding your troubles from me?
Chinenye, I have no troubles. Neither do I feel any pain. I do not know what you are feeling. When is Azuka coming for you?
Do you hope that will keep away my concern for your safety? Akunmili, look at your body. It is clear that Obize hits you without mercy.
Then what do you want me to do? Leave my home and go live with you for the rest of my life? What?
Obize beats you like he tills his farmland. Even gods in their foolishness do not endure such torture from the worst human being. You and Adora, you are coming with me.
We are sisters. But you have your life to live. And a family to make with Azuka. This is mine. I have the beads on. If it's too heavy for me, I will tell you. Thanks for your concern, but I am not worried.
Yes, I have a family to make with Azuka. But not like this, Akunmili. And even with a family, I will still be here to help you whenever he beats you like a slave.
Can you just go home, please?
Good morning. I didn't hear the first crow of the cock today. I should have been at the stream already. I know some ladies will be getting ready to go to the stream. I don't want to let them go.
How long will you run? How long will you hide, Akunmili? For how long?
As long as it keeps me away from those who despise me. From those who don't love me.
Go quickly to the stream and get me some water before the maidens get there. We need to prepare some medicine.
has come to the stream before the newly crowned princess.
What is she doing here? Akubilo, are you tired of hiding your face from human beings? And I'm asking you. Queen of the forest, the strongest lonely maiden with the heart of a man. How did somebody as beautiful as you are, supposedly beautiful maiden like you, end up with a heart as hard and thick like a man, just as your violent brother?
Maybe I know how.
Did it happen that day I pleaded to share a plate of yam with my so-called childhood friend?
Hey!
Akubilo,
look at what my mother got for me.
These things are so beautiful. You mean your mother got you all these things?
Yes, she did.
Including this one?
Mother is my life and happiness. She's always buying me fine things.
Akubilo, you're so beautiful. Sometimes I wish I was as beautiful as you are.
Mama, you are very beautiful as well. And your mother buys fine things for you as well too.
But Akubilo, your own is special. Okay, take a look. So fine. And I know that someday all the strong and handsome men in all the villages will desire you as a wife.
Olama, I will get to marry only one out of all. The rest will come to you to choose from.
But that's when you must have finished choosing.
Olama, stop it. You can have one of this.
This one? No, I don't want this one. I want this one.
That's no problem.
Anyway, I saw you with a plate of yam. Can I have some? I'm hungry.
Olama, how can you be hungry after eating 2 plates of uba your mother made for you?
So? I can be hungry at any time, and I want to eat yam.
I have had nothing since morning, and I'm keeping that plate of yam for Obinze and I to eat when he returns from the farm. He must be very tired, and I don't know when mother will come back from the market.
Akubilo, are you lying to me because of a plate of yam?
Why should I lie to you because of a plate of yam? That yam is for Obinze and I to eat when he returns from the farm. Let's forget about this plate of yam. Can we talk about something else, please?
You're very wicked. You're very, very wicked, Akubilo. And I hate you.
Why? Because of a plate of yam?
Yes, because of a plate of yam. Why can't I share your plate of yam with you? But you know what? Someday you would wish you shared your plate of yam with me.
Olama. Olama. A plate of yam?
Or did it happen the same day you left your brother to perish while my mother helped him?
Akubilo!
Mama, please help, Mama.
Akubilo, why are you this wicked?
Mama, please help!
Akubilo!
Help!
Why are you wicked?
Help!
You can't talk. You know, a heavy mystery struck that day, and thanks to the gods, I had a mother who kept me away from your dangers. I don't know what I would have done if I had you as a friend. Maybe I would have been so ugly, unattractive, and as such a lover of bushes, trees, other than human beings. Well, all that aside, for all time's sake, Akubilo, I have decided to invite you for my special day. The very day I'll be giving off to the strongest and the most handsome man. Oh, gods. My desires are coming fast. How about you? Huh? Answer me! How about you? You know, you should come. Because you might just be fortunate enough to get one of them. I mean, am I going to marry all of them, huh?
There are other ways you can show your jealousy, not by having her for telling the truth.
Remember, she's not the cause of your problems. Let her go.
I have been suffering for so long, and no one cares to know why I live this way. Mother was my life and happiness. Why don't memories of my good times with Mother come to me as a dream? Why must it be the bad one that keeps tormenting me?
You always have those memories because your heart bears grudges against life. All you see and know is that tragic day. Your heart bears grudges not only against your brother, but against yourself. You hated yourself for allowing that to ever happen.
I never knew it will happen.
Happiness and good memories can only come if you forgive your brother and yourself. Yes. Don't always see Obinze in the face of any man that ever comes to love you.
Then I can never be happy. I cannot be loved because of the way everyone sees me. I may not be able to love any man. And no man wants a woman like me. A maiden without a conscience. A maiden known to have a heart as hard as a man. And who is never happy.
Why are you fighting yourself? Why are you fighting who you truly are? Just like your mother. You are a maiden with a heart of gold. Don't allow fate to take away your happiness in life. Your beauty is priceless. Just know that.
You have so much in this basket. There is so much in here.
If I don't come and share some of my goods with my family, who else will I share it with?
With Azuka, of course. Anyway, thank you very much, my sister.
You are welcome. Where's my daughter?
Adora. She's sleeping. Troublesome child.
Like her mother.
Anyway, I have to finish cooking before my husband returns from the village square. I hope you eat with us.
No, I don't want to say it.
Chinenye, mind your words and actions this week, please. I hope nobody here forgets that.
I was just joking. Azuka and I will be going to share some food with these people.
Oh, yes, so anyway, I'm sure my husband will appreciate it.
Thank you. Azuka Wegi, see her waist. One name wine.
Ozzy, my friend, you need to see the way Azuka was begging me, crying yesterday. Begging me, but trust me, I gave him what he deserved now.
Really?
Yes, so.
I trust you now. I know what you can do.
My dear.
He thinks everybody is as cheap as Chinenye. Yes, so as cheap as Chinenye.
Ifeinwa.
Yes. Yes.
I was a fool to have fallen for your cheap games the last time. But not this time around. Azuka has made it clear to you that he does not want you. And he will never want you. So, my dear, you need to have some self-respect, dignity. Maybe, just then, maybe, a good man would consider you for a bride. A good man, I don't know, maybe an average one. Maybe not such a good man, but he would try to manage, because I don't think any good man in his right senses would want an evil witch like you around.
As the gods or what?
Birds of the same feather, as they say, flock together. Two evil witches.
See this one. I say to you, Azuka will want rubbish.
Ifeyinwa, father says the Igwe of Amudo village wants his son to marry me. So it's just like having the very best of men contest for a beauty like me.
So you mean that the prince of Amudo village also seeks your hand in marriage?
Yes. And you know, that is not even all. Father and the rest of the kindred have already fixed the marriage. They've already fixed the marriage to hold 4 market days after the week of peace. Ifeyinwa, I am so happy. I'm so happy all of this is happening to me. And you don't know how happy I am. I'm so happy. My princess. You're happy for me, right?
Yes.
I'm happy.
Who are you to have all of that to yourself? You don't deserve it. I should be the one to choose from the very best of men. Me and no other maiden.
Ifeyinwa, I am so happy. You're happy for me, right?
Yes.
I'm so happy. I can't imagine what will happen that day. My very special day. Why are you behind me? Come along.
Do not leave your father with the food and the herbs all by himself. Try to spend more time with him.
Yes, I will. I will take care of father.
What about your brother, Obinze? Have you forgiven him? It's the first week of peace.
It's not the first week of peace. I should be going now.
Be at peace with everyone you meet.
I will get you bushmeat when I return. Take care.
Okay.
He sometimes can be so lovable that I don't remember his violence. I just wish every day of our lives will be this way. I wish the week of peace is not for a season, but a part of our daily lives.
Greetings, my father.
Hey. Madam. Akunmili, my daughter. Hi, you're welcome.
Thank you, father.
The child that comes to see her father, even at a time like this. How are you, my priceless one?
I'm fine, father. I brought some herbs to keep you strong and some food as well.
All these? Wonderful. Thank you. Hey. So you still have the heart to care for me, even in this condition that my heart is failing me slowly. You know what? You are blessed.
You see?
You are blessed with the same blessings that them that have this type of heart are blessed with.
You see? Thank you, father. I came to spend some time with you, to eat with you and make you drink of the herbs. I know how cruel Obinze has been to you, father.
Well, I just hope Obinze will change. I hope his wrath will not destroy him completely.
I hope so, father.
Akunmili,
father,
are you still suffering from the agony of the past?
Mother, I would like us to visit Auntie Chinenye also.
Of course we'll visit her. Today is the last day of the week of peace. But first we'll have to see grandfather first, okay?
Okay, Mother.
Is it still there? Thank you, my daughter.
Yes.
I'm not done with this
Okay,
one.
you still have more.
Nai.
The priceless one. How are you?
I'm fine.
Akunmili, I didn't know we'd meet you here.
I have to be with father. Let me get some food that I cooked for you.
Oh, that's very kind of you. But I'll help you in the kitchen.
Okay.
I'm so happy
Ada,
to see you.
join me.
Okay.
Double one. So good.
This is getting serious. Yes.
Is Azuka here?
No, he's not here yet. But we met him on our way here. Don't worry, the herbalist will soon be here. She'll treat you and you'll be fine, okay? I need to leave.
Please, don't go. I need you to make me feel stronger.
Chinenye, I can't stay. I need to return home before Obinze comes back. I need to get his food ready. Biko.
Nne, that Chinenye is sick. Let us stay a little while.
Chinenye, please. I have overstayed already. I need to go before Obinze comes back. Please. Azuka will soon be here. He'll take good care of you, okay? I need to go. I'll come and check on you tomorrow.
Mother, please.
I'll come and check on you tomorrow, okay? Let's go, let's go. Adora, stand up, let's go. Adora. Chinenye,
Alright, stand. Let's go. Stand up, let's go. I'll come and check on you tomorrow. Please.
Come. Come. Doing? Let's go. Won't you go to the farm with me?
No, mother. I cannot let Akunmili to stay alone. She's very sick and she needs me.
Lazy girl. You cannot use Akunmili's sickness as an excuse. Your father will take care of her. Let's go.
Father will go to the village square and she'll be left alone.
Chinenye, don't let me get you there. Pick this hole. Let's leave now. Immediately. Lazy girl.
Akunmili, wake up. 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 Akunmili, wake up.
My sister, what happened to her?
No, I came to give you a message from my mother and then I saw her vomiting. Give me a hug, give me a hug.
Why do you want to tempt me? Huh? Why do you want to tempt me?
Obi, Biko, don't do this. You know the week we are in, please.
Quiet. Now get in. Get in!
Olama, you feel so important.
Greetings, my princess.
Well done.
You feel so important as a princess. So you no longer have your privacy.
How do you mean?
All I mean is that I can no longer tell you some important things anymore.
Oh! You mean because of them?
Yes. Send them back. We need to talk. You know, there are some special things and surprise I have for you. You know, before your special day. Yes. Send them back.
Okay. You can go now. I want to have time alone with my friend. Okay, you can go back.
My princess, it's against the rules of the palace.
My princess, we're not permitted to leave you all by yourself.
I know. But it's more traditional to respect the princess's will. So step back. Go back, that's what I said. Go back.
Go.
And she speaks with so much grace and pride. You don't deserve anything royalty, Ola.
So, what's this special surprise that my best friend has for me?
Let me tell you.
Okay. Ifeyinwa.
Yes. Trust me.
I shall come, and I'll make sure nobody sees me.
Chinenye, let us go and see your sister. I took care of you after all.
How about the person I call my sister? My twin. The closest family I have. Why can't she sacrifice her time for me for once?
Chinenye, for the sake of love, please let us go and see her. So we can put things right and fast.
I don't think I have a sister that cares about me.
You don't mean that. You don't mean it. Chinenye, let's go and see her. So we can tell her.
Thank you. For everything.
Thank you too for accepting to see your sister.
I've not said that.
Chinenye, let's go. Please. Chinenye. Let's go and see her. Please. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Let's go.
Okay, you are forcing me.
Let's go.
Obinze, please. I can't do this.
I am in the mood to play. So go in, undress yourself and lie on the bed.
Obinze, I can't. I need to take some rest. I just took my herbs. Please.
I don't understand. You are my wife. I'm the man here. That simply means I'm in charge. Go inside, undress yourself and lie down. I'm in the mood to play.
Obinze, what have I done to you? Why can't you allow me have my will for once? Why?
Am I supposed to buy drinks and cola before I can play with my wife? Go inside, undress yourself and lie down. I am in the mood to play.
Obinze, I can't do this for now, please. I need to take some rest. Please just let me be, please. Obinze! Obinze! Obinze!
Wait, I'm impressed. I want to play simple. Let's go. Are you there? Let's go. Am I supposed to beg you? Are you not my wife? So am I supposed to beg you come and play? Yeah, come here. Come here.
Azuka, what did you do to my husband? What did you do to my husband? What did you do to him? Did I ask you to touch him? Did I ask you to touch him? Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Chinenye. Tell him that I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My husband, please, I beg you. Azuka, what have you done to my husband? What have you done? What have you done to my husband? I will not offend you again. Let's go inside the house. Let's go inside. Let's go. Please help me talk to him. Let's get out. Biko.
Can you not see? Hey. Maybe there is more to this. I have done so much.
Biko, there has to be a solution to this. There has to be a way out. I know you alone can find a solution to this. Please. Biko.
I have to leave now. Give him the herbs to drink. Maybe it will help his condition.
Thank you.
Hey. Thank you.
Just go. Don't touch me. In fact, I don't want you close to me. Onye ọbụla ga na-eme ka chi esi kee. Onye ọbụla ga na-eme ka chi esi kee.
Taking the blame because my sister thinks I am responsible for what she is going through right now because of our land. Please help us.
I want Akunmili to be happy again. Please.
Ofune ofumbachi anyị bụ ofe ọbara. Ofune ofumbachi anyị bụ ofe ọbara. Akpọlụ nwanne m ka m bili, afa m bụ Chinenye. Akpọlụ nwanne m ka m bili, afa m bụ Chinenye. Ofune ofumbachi anyị bụ ofe ọbara. Ofune ofumbachi anyị bụ ofe ọbara. Akpọlụ nwanne m ka m bili, afa m bụ Chinenye.
None. Dalo. Nnebe anyị sịrị okwu anaghị anọ n'afọ eru ure. Isi kwuru nkwa. Afọ ihe ndụdụ, afọ ihe ọdụdụ ije. This one, you are in my late brother's house today. I hope all is well.
All is well. We are here for good. Eh? Kwanu ije obebe onye abegbunye. Mwana ba mbumbu apụrụ ya n'azụ. Ije anyị bịala bụ ije mmiri ọbụrụ ije nkụ. Eh? We came in respect of this my nephew here, rather my son. He saw a ripe pear, ubejileji, and that he wants to pluck. Eh? Well, I'm aware. What are working?
It's all right. You are welcome. John Amaka.
Dalo. Thank you.
Who exactly are you talking about?
Chinenye.
Chinenye. Okay. I have to call Chinenye. Come on, on a pakokudisi on the people on Adeba. Chinenye! Chinenye! Please come. Please, are you aware of their coming today?
Yes.
Come and take away the calamity you brought upon my home.
Akunmili, I've always had good thoughts towards you and not evil. We only wanted to protect you. We helped you from being...
I never asked for your help! Come and see what you've made of my home. If you have a conscience, you wouldn't be here celebrating so comfortably while I wallow in pains.
What is going on here? What's wrong?
Azuka, I'm sorry. I can't go through this.
Chinenye!
This is a slight on me. No one in Umameke kindred has ever brought that kind of shame to us. Huh? What kind of useless arrangement was that? You came to my house and brought me out, making me to leave everything I was supposed to do just for nothing. You are a disappointment. Look, when next you decide to marry, please don't involve me. Don't come to my house. Look for someone else. I beg you.
I'm sorry. Obiko, I'm sorry.
Leave me alone, leave me alone.
Let me just take a look at it, please.
Leave me alone. Go, 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 go. Go, leave me alone, go. Go, 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 go. Go. I can help myself. Don't mock my strength with your selfish pity.
Let go of your anger and pride and learn from your wrongs, Obinze. Maybe you deserve such pain to keep you humble and silent for the rest of your life.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I'm sorry. Just take a look at it. I'm sorry.
Leave me alone. Go! Leave me alone! Go! Go! Go!
So you cannot touch me. You cannot see me or say anything to me.
I don't deserve anything good. Talk more of a loving and forgiving woman like you. Please go. Let me suffer this alone.
Chinenye, come out! I have come to you. Have you come to torment me with the problem of a blind man? What is it you want from me this time? I brought you favor. I brought you favor of my beauty that my husband Obinze can no longer behold. Because of his condition, I have come to you. Take me in and behold my beauty. Chinenye, we are one. So take me in. Take me in and feel the warm softness of my body as Obinze has always done. Chinenye, take me in or let everybody behold my pride! Akunmili, stop! Stop it! Do you want to bring a curse upon us? It is forbidden. Then restore his sight. Restore his sight so Obinze can behold me once again. You took everything. Everything. His feelings, his love, his affection. He was unforgivable and fierce. In his fierceness, I found love. In his aggressiveness, I felt owned. You destroyed the fierce harmony in my home. The violence of a full-sighted man is better than the calmness of the blind man you left in my house. Chinenye, take me! Take me! Take me! Take me in! Take me in! Stop me in! Chinenye, take me in! Take me in! Take me up in! Take me up in! Take me in! Take me! Take me! Stop! Take me!
Who is there? Who is there? Adora! Adora!
Okoli, what has this child done to you? She is innocent. Be a man to face a man. Leave this child out of your wrath.
Akubilo, please, Akubilo, please, Akubilo, please.
What were you thinking? Why would you take an innocent child away simply because of the grudge you have against the father?
I find it difficult to forgive Obinze for causing me pains. Each time I limp around the village, the memory of the pains he caused me always fill my heart. I have always waited for an opportunity to take my revenge. So when I heard he's blind, I saw it as an opportunity to strike back.
Chelokwa, what were you going to do with the child?
I wanted to take her to an unknown place where I will keep her for a while so that Obinze will feel the pains of losing his only child.
I'm not with you on this one. You better go and undo what you did. Undo what you did before the Igwe hears it and banishes you.
I'm sorry.
I'm not the one you should say sorry to. You should say sorry to Akunmili and Obinze and probably the little girl you saw there. Those are the people you should say sorry to, not me.
I'll see what I can do about it.
Good for you.
Why do you worry yourself over Obinze?
You talked about forgiveness some time ago. That I have accepted.
Yes. Forgive him. Obinze's blindness is the lesson he has to learn for all his violence. His sight is his strength. He reacts more to what he sees than to what he hears. That is his reward. The blindness is his reward. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go. It's okay, let's go. It's okay. Your face.
Awonye.
Mama.
Neka.
Kambili. Please forgive us. Forgive my husband. He didn't know what he was doing. Biko, please.
What are you talking about?
Kambili, my husband was angry with your husband, his cousin. He took it out on Adaora, and that's not supposed to be, I know. And I'm very sorry. Biko, Ne, please. Please.
Aneka, I still do not understand what you're talking about. I mean, you're getting me confused, honestly.
I am so ashamed of myself, Obinze. I am supposed to take Adora as my own daughter. Please, forgive me.
What kind of vengeance would you have gotten by hurting an innocent child? You should have struck me straight, not touching my daughter.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
Biko, we're very, very sorry. Biko, please.
It's okay. I have forgiven you people. I also want to use this opportunity and ask for your forgiveness. I'm sorry for the way I treated you and your household in the past. Please forgive me.
I have forgiven you. Where am I?
Thank you very much.
Ada, what is it?
Are you okay? Mother.
Ada? Adora, are you okay?
Mother, are you okay? Mother, are you okay? Mother, your nose is bleeding.
What was that? Ada? Adora, are you okay?
Chimo.
Ada?
Chimo.
Adora. Adora. Ada.
Father, you're hurting me.
Oh, are you okay? Ada? Ada? What happened? Ada? Ada, talk to me. Adora. You're bleeding.
Chinenye is in danger. Something is wrong.
Something is wrong. What is wrong? You're bleeding. You know what? Just calm down.
Okay.
You go into the village and look for her while I go into the bush. Okay?
Okay.
Just let me go. Chinenye, talk to me. Talk to me. Chinenye. Chinenye, talk to me. Talk to me. Please, I am sorry. I am sorry. Chinenye! Chinenye, talk to me. Thanks to the gods.
Princess,
Yes, Father.
you may now choose from among these men whom you want to live with for life.
Okay, Father.
Alama, maybe the time is near and someone is planning evil against her. No, but she veiled her face like I do. What could that be? It's almost morning. I need to get to the stream before someone else does. What? I should sit and wait? Why? I should wait? Okay, fine. Fine.
Hola. I made sure nobody saw me, not even the maids.
Yes. You're wise. You're very wise.
Don't you trust me? So, what's this surprise that made me leave my house this early morning to follow you to the street?
Ola, calm down. Have I ever disappointed you since our childhood?
No, you haven't. And that's why I trust you. So, what's the surprise?
See, when we get to the riverbank, you will kneel and close your eyes. And then I will wear you something special round your neck. And then the surprise.
Ifeyinwa.
Allah.
You're my friend though. Ifeyinwa. Shall we? Let's just go.
Really?
Quickly.
Okay.
I can't wait.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. My princess. Yes, yes. Sorry, my princess. Sorry.
Scary.
You'll be fine. Just
Wait, you're not scared?
No. What's here to be scared of? Don't worry. Go.
Yeah.
A little further. Don't worry. Jesus, don't worry. A little further.
I'm scared.
No, you don't have to. See, you don't have to. Yes, you don't have to be scared. Okay.
I'm just wondering what the surprise is. I mean, inside the water. Okay. Here we are here. I can't wait. I can't wait for this surprise. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Close your eyes.
I'm here.
Just close your eyes.
Close my eyes.
It's a surprise, remember?
Oh, yes, it's a surprise.
Yeah, close your eyes.
Fool, how easy it is to destroy a beautiful fool who doesn't deserve all she has.
Ifeyinwa.
I'm with you.
Okay, my eyes are closed. So.
Yes.
I'm here.
Yes.
I can't wait to see this surprise.
Are you sure?
Yes, my eyes are closed.
Isiokpo, you must fetch that girl called Akunmili and bring her to my palace and before my presence for trying to take the life of my daughter.
Your Highness, the maiden in question lives with Oka, the herbalist.
But now she's not there. Even the herbalist doesn't know where she is.
You must fetch her. And she must face the consequences of committing such an abominable act. You must.
Your Highness.
Your Highness.
Lolo, how is she?
She's getting better. She's asleep.
That is better.
You are up. Do you remember rescuing your friend and still everyone blames you for a crime you did not commit?
Akunmili! 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 Akunmili!
Let's take this plate.
Where is Olama?
She's fine, and so are you. Why was everyone against you? I saw what happened. And who are you?
That answers it all. It shows I could help myself. The problem about being strong and independent is that no one really cares to know when you're suffering. No one really cares to know when you need help. No one really cares to know when you're helpless.
Akunmili! Akunmili!
You cannot help for your neighbor. Where are you?
I didn't do anything.
She's here. You will have sex for you.
I didn't do anything.
Go with them. Nobody will harm you because you are innocent. Go! Take her. Maiden, move! Move! Move!
Hey, Ola. You are awake. How are you?
What's going on in the palace?
The servants finally caught Akunmili, who almost killed you at the stream.
Akunmili?
Yes.
No, she didn't do anything.
Wait, where are you going to? You need to rest.
Rest? While Father pronounced judgment on the innocent.
Ola, wait.
Akunmili, for this, you shall be met to.
No, Father! No. She didn't do anything. Akunmili didn't do anything.
Are you alright?
She has no hands in it. If anyone did.
Hey!
Yes. If anyone meant to destroy me at the stream.
Hey!
Hey!
Eh?
She has no hands in it.
Akubilo did not do anything. If anyone your best friend from childhood, what are you waiting for? Go and fetch that evil girl.
Yes.
There will be no need.
That's the devil. She wanted to kill me.
Please, Obida. You are here. Igwe, I bring you greetings from Amudo Kingdom. How is my friend, your father? Igwe Okudo, second of Amudo Kingdom. It's well, Igwe. I came disguised in search of a wife in your kingdom when I met the ugly incidents. Akubilo here is innocent.
I'm just wondering what the surprise is. I mean, inside the water. Okay. Yeah, we are here. I can't wait. I can't wait for this surprise.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Close your eyes.
I'm here.
Just close your eyes.
Close my eyes.
It's a surprise, remember?
Oh, yes, it's a surprise.
Yeah, close your eyes.
Fool, how easy it is to destroy a beautiful fool who doesn't deserve all she has.
Okay, you are.
I'm with you.
My eyes are closed.
Yes.
Yes. I can't wait to see this surprise.
Are you sure?
Yes, my eyes are closed.
Lola, are you hearing this?
Ajeni, Aro,
Edas, are you hearing this?
Umemereni.
Akubilo, I hereby set you free. You may go.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. I'm sorry, Oma.
Shut up!
I was consumed by jealousy, please.
Enough! Enough of that crocodile tears. If anyone hereby banish you for life from Ezema Kingdom.
Yes! Yes! Umemereni.
Please.
Prince, you may come in. Edas,
Let's go.
my son.
Come in,
What did Prince Obinna mean?
What
What did Prince Obinna mean when he said he disguised himself in search of a bride in our land?
What bride? Is he not supposed to come ask for your hand in marriage?
Yes! That's what it's supposed to be. Giving father's relationship with Igwe Okudo II of Amudo land, his father. Let it not be that Prince Obinna wants to change the arrangement too.
Arrangement?
Was there such an arrangement? Or you were merely speculating?
No, but it's only natural that royalty marries royalty. Let's say it didn't happen in this case. What will you do? Kill yourself? Or quit being royalty? See, the best thing anyone can do for themselves is to keep an open mind about life. Whatever comes to you is yours, and whatever doesn't isn't.
Greetings, my princess.
Akubilo, of a truth, I have wronged you. I have wronged you in more ways than one. I called you out here to apologize to you, not as Princess Olamba, but as your best friend, Ola. The same Ola you smiled with. The same Ola you played and ate with. Akubilo, honestly, words have failed me. All I can say is thank you. Thank you for saving my life. You have really shown example of the old saying that when all else fails, friendship sustains. Akunmili, please. Forgive me. You don't need this. No, you don't need this. True beauty is from the inside, and that's what you are. I'm sorry.
is a thing of great joy that you have regained your self-esteem. The word misfortune is a thing of the mind. In any condition you see yourself, it's either you make the most of it or you become the worse for it. Akunmili, you are beautiful more than you can ever imagine.
Thank you.
Permit me to make this humble request. I would like you to come with me to Amudo Kingdom to see my father, Igwe Okodo II of Amudo Kingdom. He has been waiting to see the beautiful maiden after my heart.
Yes, I can boldly say it. I am a fulfilled man. I am the happiest man in Eziama. I can now say it loud and clear. My daughter is royalty, therefore I am royalty. In fact, my family entirely is now royalty. I have every cause to thank the gods. They have done me a favor. I am fulfilled.
Ah, the priceless one.
My daughter, you are welcome. You are welcome. My daughter-in-law. No, rise. I know what you want to say. Just let my son Obize know that I have forgiven him. He should come home straight ahead. Yes. It's my son. Yes.
Thank you, Father.
He is my son.
Kambili, thank you.
Join West with her and let your brother come home immediately. As you can see, I am a fulfilled man. The happiest man in Eziama. I am now royalty. My daughter is royalty, as you can see. We are now royal family. You hear me? You should come home and join us celebrate this. Wonderful.
I hope you come and visit me.
Yes, I will.
Okay. Okay. Kambili.
I'm happy for you.
You are the best company I have ever had. So, I hope you are happy now. It's alright, it's alright. Just let me come home, huh?
What you go